Hello, good morning, students. Hello, everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the applications depending on Coulomb force, or we can say on electrostatics. Now, see one applications you can see on the whiteboards. That application is calculate the ratio of the electrostatic to gravitational interaction forces. So two forces, one is electrostat, another is gravitational. So two forces are there and you have to calculate the ratio of that two forces between two electrons and two protons. At what value the specific charge, that is q by m, of a particle would these forces becomes equal in their absolute values in the case of interaction of identical particles. So in these problems you have to calculate the specific charge, and specific charge can be represented by specific charge, that is q by m, charge upon mass, that is specific charge. So you have to calculate here q by m, and such applications if you want to solve it, so for that purpose you should know electrostatic force means what, then gravitational force means what. You should know the magnitudes of electrostatic as well as gravitational force. Okay, so let us discuss in details how we can solve these given applications. Now this given application is taken from a textbook, that is from Herodo textbook. So I.E. Herodo. So these books also is very important because so many applications are complicated in that books. Okay, so those students who preparing that NEET, JEE mains particularly, or advanced level exams, so those students can apply, or we can say those students can use these books and try to solve the applications which are given in these books. Okay, so one application is from that book is here, and the application is calculate the ratio of electrostatic to the gravitational interaction forces. Now electrostatic to the gravitational force of interaction means what? That is electrostatic force, that is Fe, we can represent, upon gravitational force, that is Fg, we can represent. So the ratio of these two forces, and we know the forces, that is electrostatics, or we can say gravitational force. Electrostatic force, we know electrostatic force. What is the magnitude of that forces? So the magnitude of that force is, that is electrostatic force is K q1 q2 upon r square. So here two electrons are there and two protons are there, so that's why charge and first charge and second charge both are same, so that's why we are taking here k q square by r square. So this is electrostatic force, so that is Fe, the value of Fe. So this is our first force. Now second force is given. Second force is, that is gravitational force. So gravitational force, that is, what is gravitational force? G into m1 into m2 upon r square. So masses are same, so therefore we can write here G m square upon r square. Here we consider, that is second equations, that is Fg, gravitational force, Now we have two magnitudes of two different forces. One is electrostatic force and another is gravitational force. Now what we have to find here, we have to find that is the specific charge, and what is the meaning of that specific charge, that is q by m. So to calculate q by m, we can write these two forces in the form of ratio. So how we can write in the form of ratio, that is Fe upon Fg. So Fe means what, k into q square by r square upon, write down the value, gm square by r square. Okay, so r square get cancel. So remaining terms will be, that is kq square upon gm square. Okay, so kq square upon gm square, what we have to find, that is q by m. So if we take q square by m square, then this term becomes yes, q square by m square becomes g by k. If we take square root, so taking square root, q by m is equal to g by k. And we know what is capital G and what is capital K. So capital G stands for gravitational constant, and we know the specific value for that. So where G, that is the gravitational universal constant, and the value of that capital G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So this is the value of capital G. Okay, next, K, electrostatic constant. This one is electrostatic constant, and this capital G stands for what, gravitational constant. So it has also value, the value of that is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Okay, so this is the value of K and G. Now calculating these two, what we'll get, that is q by m is equal to under root G, that is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 upon 9 into 10 to the power 9. So the calculations of this term, that is 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63, then 4s are. So what we'll get here, that is q by m is equal to under root 0.74, and it is approximately equal to under root 1, and root 1 means what, 1. So our specific charge will be 1. So q by m, the value of q by m will be 1. Okay, so in this way you have to apply the concepts related to the electrostatic force and gravitational force, and using that concepts, that is electrostatic force means k into q square upon r square, and gravitational force is equal to gm square upon r square. So using this concept, you have to calculate what, the ratio of that is specific charge, that is q by m. So in this way we calculate here the value of q by m. The value of q by m, it is approximately equal to 1. So such applications are there. Now we will move towards the next applications. So till then, thank you.